One of nature's most mighty elixirs, royal jelly, is a potent life force that creates the queen bee. It nurtures, energizes, and increases her lifespan an incredible 40 times. In 1956, JAFRA founder Jan Day began to unlock its potential in skincare. Today, a JAFRA Royal Jelly product is sold around the world every 6 seconds. As the master blenders and global leaders in royal jelly, we harness this natural miracle in every JAFRA Royal product. Our experts at the JAFRA Royal Jelly Science Institute, committed to innovation, have now taken royal jelly skincare to the next level with the groundbreaking discovery, Royal Jelly RJX. This revolutionary synergy of nature and cutting-edge science delivers royal jelly with more precision and enhances it to be one of the most powerful and potent forms available in the world today. And now we are proud to introduce our latest innovation, JAFRA's first face oil, JAFRA Royal Defy Antioxidant Face Oil. Years in the making, this luxurious face oil is a multi-benefit marvel for nourished, radiant skin. Visibly improves 6 key signs of aging skin: radiance, plumpness, suppleness, elasticity, wrinkles, and firmness. After 4 weeks, 100% saw visible radiance, plus an improvement in skin smoothness and suppleness. Key ingredients: Royal Jelly Oil Complex. It helps skin lock in and retain moisture. Squalene, an emollient ingredient that imparts suppleness to the skin. And the new plant-derived alternative to retinol, Bakuchiol, a superstar antioxidant that is taking the beauty world by storm. Ageless-looking beauty in every drop. Nourish your radiance with JAFRA's Wonder Oil. JAFRA Royal Defy Antioxidant Face Oil. Exceptional power, extraordinary results. JAFRA Royal Defy.